that's impressive. How much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive. How much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah.
Okay guys, so I'm back and we're here with Outre. So I did not know that the word outre, we've been saying it wrong. I've learned this from the Hearts and Cakes 90. I was on her Instagram and I was watching one of her wig installation videos and I was like, oh my god, so we've been saying it wrong like we say everything else wrong. This is charisma. And I always get super hyped when I do synthetic wigs because y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know how I get. I got it from Amazon. This video is not sponsored, okay? It's not sponsored by Outre. I wish, but it's not. Here she is in the box. I normally don't be doing an unboxing on her. I just take it out and show it to y'all because it's like, it's just packaged like this. Alright guys, so I took her out of the package. Y'all already know I don't like to go in and maneuver with the curls when they first come out of the package, because no, why would you do that? I feel like I just like to put it on as she is. But this is the overall construction of her. As you guys can see, this is the lace. Is it HD? I don't know. It says transparent lace. I mean, yeah, transparent lace HD. But as you guys can see, this is, it has a tint to it. So I'm about to put her on my head so we can see if I need to tint it. Now if they can get with some clear transparent lace, sis, they be on a roll. Let's see what we are working with. Okay, I love that the lace is stretched. Okay, it wasn't so tight that I couldn't maneuver it. Let's get into the hairline. Y'all know I'm gonna critique the heck out of the hairline because Outre is the one that usually slays the laces. Do I feel that the lace is slayed? I don't feel like it's bad. Am I gonna pluck it? No. Anywho, it does have an elastic band on the inside as well, in case you guys wanted to wear it like glueless. I'm not gonna wear it glueless. Alright guys, so like I said, the lace is transparent, so if you would cut it off, walk out the door, yeah, they're just gonna laugh at you. So this is what it's supposed to look like, okay? Ooh, now did y'all see that? Y'all did not, y'all cannot tell me y'all just didn't see that magic happening. It looks still a little bit too light, but that melt is what I'm here for. Y'all don't be going to my beauty supply store anymore. Literally everything I need I order off of Amazon. This is Red by Kiss Styler Fix Freeze Hairspray. This is a strong maximum hold. It's 2-in-1 lace glue and styling. Professional results for daily use, and it has a quickest drying formula. Alright, so this is tacky. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it on down into where I want it to lay. Okay, and now we need a comb. I'm just gonna press that in. I should have pulled it down a little bit. Ooh. I'm gonna try it now with my blow dryer. Okay, so about this spray, if you OD on this spray, I'm gonna tell you right now, it's going no crunchy because I got a little clumpy situation going over here. But we're gonna just see if we can fix that later. This product was extremely cold. I felt like I was kind of getting brain freeze. Don't know why, but I don't know. Maybe because it was cold in here last night. Okay, so bands, y'all. I actually found these pack of bands on Amazon. And so these are just plain elastic bands, and I'm just gonna use this so my hairline can melt a little bit. It's Velcro, and I will have them listed below just in case you guys want one to melt your lace as well. So today I'm just gonna do a middle part simply because I've been doing middle part lately and I've been loving them. Hot comb is ready. Y'all, I be really rambling. That's why I don't be doing talk through videos, because I'll just be saying anything and I'll be feeling all over the place. Okay, I just feel like my part is going to Jesus. I don't know. It's not straight. I noticed that some of the videos I'll be doing, I always have one side super laid and then there's one side that's always humpy. And that don't be cute. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I be thinking that my biggest struggle is getting both sides to look similar. Cause I can get one side neat, but then the other side, you know, it just be weird. So I'm gonna tell you something I got to be glue gel to mold my baby hairs. I've been reaching for this stuff lately because it's super good and I love it. Especially for synthetic wigs. I'm not using no got2b glue. I mean got2b hairspray for my edges, because they honestly not gonna stay down at all. You just literally be wasting your time. So get yourself some glue and just swoop. I mean, I said glue, I mean gel. And just swoop it into perfection. Or back into the hairline. This is why I love synthetic units, because it don't take much for it to look decent at all. Now I probably have to go back in this part. Y'all see this lifting up? This ain't even down all the way. So we gotta see what it's gonna give. She's looking crazy right now. So we definitely gotta comb her and put her into place. And like I said, I like to save this step for the end, because I don't know, I feel like it brings everything together. And I don't want to use a brush because I don't want to take the curls out of it just yet. Who was that fell? So we're gonna see what we come up with. I am getting some tangles, as y'all can see. So y'all are seeing it firsthand. So if I stand up here and say it don't tangle, y'all can tell me I'm a liar. Because you see it tangling right now. I am getting some tangling charisma. What's going on, baby? She is tangling on me. Okay. Maybe just gotta get through to her. All right. Alright guys, so this is my overall completion of this unit. As y'all can see, I did actually go ahead and move the middle part to a side part because honestly it wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. I feel like with this type of curl, I feel like a side part would just more, it just gives, okay? It gives what it's supposed to give as a side part, not necessarily for me as a middle part. So this is what she's giving. I feel like she's real cute, she's real full, she's real thick, okay? I love the volume, the density on this unit. Now I feel like this unit gave me tangling straight out of the goat, like straight out the pack. Maybe it's because I wait to the end of the install to like fully detangle it. I feel like this unit is gonna tangle quicker than any other unit that I had from Outre. So that's just something to be cautious about, is the tangling. Now I did get shedding with this unit as well. Y'all know it's synthetic, so it will tangle here and there, and it's definitely gonna shed. But I would say just buy at your own risk, because this unit is one I just have mixed feelings for. Like you said, it's cute, like nobody can tell me nothing, nobody can tell me it's synthetic. It doesn't have that like fake shine to it either, where it's just looking like, sis, now we know it's not your hair, okay? It's not giving me that. It's giving me like blown out wand curls put in and you just comb it out. So it looks amazing, don't get me wrong, it looks freaking amazing. It was just the tangling. I was like, it's just doing a little bit too much tangling for me. So just want to put that out here. So if y'all heard me in this video say it don't tangle, y'all know I just lied, because I told y'all the truth right now. So that is that. Like other than that, I don't have no cons. I love the fit of the cap. Like I said, it was stretchy, so it definitely adhered to my hairline pretty well. So I didn't have any problems with it being too snug or just giving me a headache. So I was able to customize it and cut around the ear tabs. So I appreciate Outre for doing that, because like honestly, it'd be a time when you got a unit and it's just too tight and it's too snug and it's just doing everything all over the place. And I got time for that, you know. So definitely appreciate that. Like I said, the hairline is different than what I'm used to, because some of the units Outre be going all in and going all out with plucking the hairline so it can, you know, make it look like your own. So it's not bad at all. I feel like it looks very natural. So that's the A+ in my books. That's it, and that's all. Otherwise than that, y'all can see it's a cute unit. I definitely would buy it again. So this is charisma for you, okay? So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's install. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Well, thumbs up is like don't forget the thumbs up, leave a comment, and also subscribe, and also leave suggestions of other units that you guys would like me to install and try, so you guys can see what it's given. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.
So that's impressive, how much I'm missing.